Guys, it's time for the night video test. Enjoy this beautiful view of Austria, Vienna. I have the iPhone 14 Pro in my left hand and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in my right hand. Enjoy this view. I'm just gonna do a pan, slow pan. Which footage do you like more? Where do you think the picture is better? Let's try also to do a run to test the stabilization. Okay. Alright, night Vienna for my iPhone 14 Pro versus S23 test, guys. Stephansplatz, Stephansdom. Beautiful scenery here. Also beautiful weather. Pay attention to the light, also to the dark sky, and here the lens flare. And also, guys, pay attention to the sound. Which sound do you like better? The one from the iPhone, which is this one, or the one from the S23 Ultra? Okay, now I'm gonna run again to this direction to test the stabilization, guys. Okay, now one more time I'm gonna do a slow pan. And now it's time for the front camera test for your viewing pleasure. So I'm gonna do a slow pan again. And let's just show you more of this. Okay guys, now I'm gonna do a casual walk. Some lines behind my back. It's very dark outside, but also we have the city lights. And we have the beautiful scenery behind my back, the Stephansdom. Pay attention to the details and let me know what looks better, guys. Gonna do another slow pan, and I'm gonna turn my back so you can just see some signs and tell me what you think it's better. Now it's time for the ultra wide, 0.6 on both phones, so we should be pretty much seeing one and the same. What is better, the left footage or the right footage, guys? Now let me just also try to run. I think stabilization is quite clear, guys. Nobody can beat this S23 Ultra in terms of stabilization. But what about the colors? What about the noise? Now let me do a slow turn. You can just see the beautiful scenery here, and also of course the lights. Pay attention to the little details, guys. Which footage is noisy? Which footage has the best detail? Sunny day in Vienna, Austria. Testing the HDR, the color reproduction, the grass, the green sky, the white clouds. Also some trees, guys. I would expect this to be very similar in daylight, but yeah, let's hope we're not surprised when we see the end footage and result, which you're watching right now. And if you like this content, guys, you might as well want to sub for my channel. That's also on the front camera. All right, beautiful day, especially for phone testing. I have behind my back the Windows XP wallpaper, so this makes for a good test. Look at the details, guys. My beard, the glasses, the hair, everything else. Also very good, guys. This alley is very straight, which means I can do my stabilization test. So I'm gonna run forward even quicker. That's maybe like 10-15 kilometers an hour. All right, guys. Now on your left, you can just see the beautiful palace of Schönbrunn in Austria, Vienna, guys. But that's not why we're here. Please explore the colors. Today, the ambience is very nice for HDR testing. Why? Because we have a bit of clouds, actually too much. Also a nice, very beautiful, nice blue sky, and also sun piercing through those gray skies. So imagine blue sky, some sun, and now, guys, back to the gray reality. Let me know which footage, guys, is better. Now also some sand. Pay attention to the very nitty-gritty details, guys, and let me know which footage you think is better, the one from the iPhone or the one from the Samsung S23 Ultra. Bling my phone. night video testing with the iPhone 14 Pro in my left hand and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in my right hand, guys. You will be the ultimate judge. Let me know which video is better for you. Where do you think the colors are better, the details are better, noise is less, and the overall aesthetics of the video? Because guys, remember, it doesn't really matter what phone you're using. Of course, these are premium phones. What it matters is if you like the footage, okay? So eventually, you let me know, pause the video, put your preferences. Is the iPhone 14 Pro nailing the night video, or is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra nailing it? Now, let me do a slow run to test the stabilization. Okay, now one stop. Now I'm gonna do again a slow pan, guys. Observe the colors, passing cars, lights. Yeah, perfect for a test video in the beautiful city of Vienna, Austria. Okay, I'm gonna go now into a darker area so that you are able to check more details. Now some sign reading, guys. I will get close. Okay. Close on the iPhone, close on the Ultra. Time to test the front camera, guys. Left iPhone 14 Pro, right Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Which footage is better, guys? And I'll show you some more from the beautiful Vienna, Austria. Perfect city, testing phones. I can also run. And guys, now let me just show you something very, very interesting, which I believe will help you to judge the overall aesthetics. Why? Because it's white, it's illuminated, a lot of light. So we're looking for detail, we're looking for noise, we're looking also for face tone and color scheme, guys. Now, I'm just standing in front of a projector here, as you can tell. So that's the projector there, right? Oh. Zoom testing, 2x on the iPhone and 2x on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some nice colors, some signs, posters, and again, people and moving lights, guys. I'm doing a slow pan. I'm gonna focus now on a bus, and you let me know which footage is better. 2x on both phones. Night video. Samsung S23 Ultra on the right and the iPhone 14 Pro on the left. And as I slowly turn, you are facing now the beautiful State Opera from Vienna, Austria. Let me know which footage is better. And now time for the 3x zoom test. So both phones are now running on 3x. On my left hand side, the iPhone 14 Pro 3x and the Samsung S23 Ultra, guys. On my right hand side, 3x footage. Which one do you think is better? The one shot on the iPhone or the one on the S23 Ultra? This should be all optical. Now it's time for the zoom video test, guys. 9x on the iPhone 14 Pro and 10x on the S23 Ultra. Alright, so let me know which footage is better, guys. Now let me share something interesting, guys. Those are real people. Let me know what you think down below. Which phone is doing a better job? So 10x for the S23 Ultra and 9x on the iPhone 14 Pro.